Welcome back, y'all. Today I will be talking about one of the most hyped up stocks in the entire stock market, which is none other than Tesla stock. We will be talking about Tesla's current price. We will be talking about news events and future scheduled dates, which may increase or decrease Tesla's stock price, and whether or not I will be buying this stock or recommend it for others to buy this stock. So let's get started. As you can see today, Tesla was up around $50 or 2.41% today. It's been absolutely on a tear this week. It's up over 21%. The 1 month it's up around 25%, 3 month around 150, 1 year 816%. I can't believe this. Tesla stock is up over 800% in 1 year. I remember just 1 year ago that people were saying Tesla was going to zero, Tesla was a bust, Tesla was this and that. And I'm not going to lie, I kind of thought, well, I think Tesla stock's going to go down because the car industry is just a very low margin business and there's so many established players, they'll just eat Tesla's lunch. But I was completely wrong, and I'll tell you the reasons why I was wrong. And let's see other news events about Tesla stock. I believe there are many reasons why Tesla stock has been going up, especially in the past month, week, and a year. I would say first, the main reason is that on September 22nd, Tesla has Battery Day, where they will showcase all their battery options for their cars, how many miles it goes, and the technology and software behind those batteries. So, what makes these batteries so unique is one, is that Elon Musk is claiming these batteries are digitalized, like it's an interactive battery rather than a regular car battery, which is kind of impossible for me to fathom. So I guess the price discovery is not there yet. And second, there's a rumor that Tesla has a 500,000 mile battery, which is kind of crazy to think about as most cars only have 25,000. So you're already talking about a 20x car battery mileage capability of a regular gas powered car, which is really, really amazing. And what people don't understand is that battery day may break or shape Tesla in the long run, but I don't believe it'll have a major impact on stock price on in September or September 22nd or 23rd, is because people still believe that they can accomplish these goals, and Tesla's essentially priced to perfection where they will reach, if they reach those goals, yeah, it makes sense why their valuation is at that point, but it's more future based, and I don't disagree with the price necessarily, but as per the news, that's pretty interesting. And the second piece of news is that, of course, they announced a 5-to-1 split. You all saw what happened with Apple, and yeah, Apple just took off from 370 to 500 in the matter of 3 weeks, and there was no substantial news on Apple. It was just that they're splitting, and we can see that the 4-to-1 stock split for Apple increased it by 100, and I believe it was $180 billion in 1 week in market cap. And then when Tesla announced it, they were at 1,300, and right now they're at 2,100. So that's crazy. So let's talk about other news about Tesla stock and whether or not I will be buying this company. So Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, has claimed that they are building and have built three Gigafactories in 3 countries, one being in Berlin, Germany, one being in China, Shanghai, and one being in Austin, Texas. The one in Austin, Texas, they are planning to start building that out by, I believe, quarter 4 of this year. The one in China is almost done, and the one in Germany is just getting started. So I'm guessing this is also good news for the company. And yeah, now let's talk about the share price, whether I'll be buying or not, and my personal opinions for the stock. So as we can see, Tesla's up around 700% on the 5-year chart. And what concerns me is that this move is parabolic, right? This move has happened in a very short time. In the past 6 years, I believe the stock price has hovered between 180 and 360, which is not the best movement for, I guess, a growth company would say. But then September and quarter three of 2019, things started looking up, and it's just gone absolutely parabolic since then. Honestly, I've always doubted Tesla from the beginning. I even made a video about it, why I won't be buying Tesla stock when it was at around like 14, $1,500. But I've been pleasantly surprised and have been proved wrong with the share price going up to around $2,100 a share. But again, as y'all know, I'm a value investor. I invest in dividend companies. I invest in Coca-Cola, Pepsi, AT&T, ExxonMobil. So I don't really personally. I don't have it. I already sold out all of my position at around $350 a share, which I really regret right now because that would have been a decent chunk if I had held it. But it is what it is. I believe that the share price had run up so much. Come on, the market cap's at 400 billion with a 1.04k price to earnings ratio. My average stock has a 15 PE ratio, and you're talking about 1.04k. That's a lot for me to handle personally. I like the company, I like the fundamentals, I like their cash balance, I like their low debt, I like their CEO. Fundamentally, it's a good company, but when you compare it to value, I I am really struggling to recommend or buy the stock. But I do believe it'll be a future growth company, and I believe this can exceed much higher if they want to. But again, understand this market cap is a lot. 400 billion is crazy. So Tesla has a higher market cap than Walmart, and Walmart's been here for many decades and has proven itself to be a profitable company for over 30 years. I mean, that's what it takes to be a $400 billion market cap. But we saw Tesla losses in quarter two of 2019. I'm not trying to pay $400 billion valuations for a company that just lost money. I understand they're going to be profitable. For 4 quarters, they have shown that, but I am not comfortable buying it at these valuations. And unfortunately, even if it goes in half to $1,000 per share, I'm still not very comfortable paying a $200 billion market cap for a company that hasn't shown profits consecutively for like 3 or 4 years, unlike Walmart, Visa, and other companies. It's just I struggle with this company. I'm trying to. I understand their business. I understand their growth. I understand they're innovative. They're fast. They will probably be the leading car distributor in the world next year, or in the coming decades to come. But in terms of me buying the stock, it's a no for me. You have to do your own research. This is one of the hardest stocks for me to judge personally. There was so much negativity around it 2 years ago, and now it's all positive. It's really concerning me. Even in terms of broad markets, I see a lot of these stocks going up 10,000%. It's like Overstock, Wafer, and stuff like that. It's quite concerning. And things that I've learned is that everything that comes up must go down. Tesla may improve in the future, but their share price is not going to keep going up like this. You won't see 700% again in 5 years. You probably will not see that because you're talking about how much 7x increase from here, so like $15,000 a share. So that makes it the largest market cap company. Yeah, that's not going to happen yet. So I believe there'll be a downturn when the hype dies down, but the company's fundamentals stay strong. You buy it in there. This is just exactly like a parabola. Unfortunately, I know I might get some heat for this video, but personally, I'm not going to invest in Tesla at these valuations. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It may be more of an unpopular view in comparison to other YouTubers who are super bullish on the stock all the time, but I try to keep a straight head. I try to keep balance sheets and future growth into perspective. And at these valuations, I'm not buying. You can't say this is a growth company when the market cap's at 400 billion. Like how much further can it go, right? I mean, you're talking about Google's at 1 trillion. So even if you double that, it's very complicated and very hard to understand this. But yeah, so personally, I'm not buying this. I really appreciate y'all watching this video and have a great day.